wall painting ideas. Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a few wall painting ideas that will completely transform your space. This video is brought to you by GoTopRated.com. Let's get started. Start with an accent wall. Choose one wall and paint it with a bold color like navy blue, emerald green, or deep burgundy. This adds depth to the room without overpowering the space. Geometric patterns are another great choice. Triangles, squares, or chevrons in contrasting colors bring a modern and stylish touch to any room. Ombre effect is perfect for a smooth and calming look. Gradually transition from light to dark or from one color to another for a soft, elegant vibe. Murals make a bold statement. Whether it's a nature scene or abstract design, a mural adds creativity and personality to your walls. Chalkboard paint is a fun and interactive option. It allows you to write or draw on the wall, making it ideal for kitchens, home offices, or kids' rooms. Botanical or floral prints bring a refreshing touch to any room.
Soft flowers or green plants make the space feel fresh and calming. These simple painting ideas can completely change the look of your room. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.